Hey everybody, what's up? Devon Brown here, and the title of today's video is Stop Getting Ready and Just Start Doing. And I am making this video as much for myself as I am for you, and let me tell you why. If you've been following me for any period of time, then what you may notice in this video is that all this crap behind me is brand new. This is a brand new video setup that my team and I have put together so that I can start cranking out content and making more videos. And even if we turn the camera a little bit to the side here, Tara, you see we even have this giant whiteboard back screen thing for all the new videos that we're going to be doing. Now, here's the point of me telling you about all this stuff. Oh, let me even show you this. This is how ridiculous we are with crap. This is even on a remote control where we've got this light thing up here, and it's even, and if I can adjust the brightness via remote control. All right? This is silly. All right? But all of this stuff is great, right? But only if I use it. How many times in life have you gotten excited about an idea and then you said to yourself, and by you I mean me, and then you said to yourself, okay, in order to do this, I have to have all these ducks, and they all have to be huge, and they all have to be in this perfect row, and I have to do all this stuff to get ready. And then you do all this stuff to get ready, and then you don't do anything with it. If I'm being completely honest with you, there was even a bigger setup than this downstairs in my basement. When I first had the idea that I wanted to do a bunch of content, I was like, oh, I'm going to set up the downstairs as an entire studio. And we got tripods and these big giant lights coming from all these different angles and this 8-foot thingy that was even bigger than the white screen that we just showed you. And we put it all down there, and a week went by and I didn't use it. And a month went by and I didn't use it. And 2 months went by and I didn't use it. And so what was the purpose of all that? We, as human beings, what we love to do so often is we love to do the stuff that's in the get ready phase, right? We're like, oh, let's do this get ready stuff, but we don't do the stuff that we actually need to do to take action. So, for example, if you're like, oh, this is the new year, and I'm gonna work out and I'm gonna get fit. And then the first thing you do is you go buy all these workout clothes and the top of the line workout gear. And then you go get this membership at the top of the line, this, that, and the other, right? And all this crazy stuff. And a month goes by and you don't use any of this shit. And the truth of the matter is that you would have been more successful had you thrown on your ratty sweatpants and your old ass t-shirt and just gone out and run around the block. You would have been 100 times more successful or 100 times closer to your goal had you literally just moved the damn couch out of the way, gone to YouTube and typed free workout video, and hit play on the first thing that popped up and started doing some damn jumping jacks and push-ups. We love to feel like us getting ready is us progressing, but we're not. We're not progressing. We're being busy, not productive. All of this shit is me being busy, not productive. Now, don't get it twisted. If I use this stuff, then it's worth it. And then I'm being productive with it. If I take this stuff and I make, 20 videos a week with it, then it's absolutely worth it, right? If you go and you buy the top of the line workout shoes and you actually go work out in them every day, then it's worth it. So my question to me is, am I just being busy or am I actually taking steps towards my goal, right? Am I in the planning stage or am I in the action stage? Because if you're just hanging out in the planning stage, nothing is going on. If you're in the get ready stage, then you're not going to move towards your goal. As a matter of fact, all the big giant studio setup that I had downstairs, it took me 2 months. And I realized, you know what? I'm never going to use this thing. I'm never going to use this thing because when I'm inspired to make a video, I'm usually up here. This is upstairs part of my house. And I'm always up here when I get inspired. And I said what I really wanted was a way to just, when I feel inspired, click a couple of buttons on my computer and have the video go straight into my computer. Right? and not have to worry about calling Tara. Tara, say hi, who's holding the camera.
Hey.
And Tara's holding, and by the way, quick side note, like a couple of years ago, I know this video is getting a little bit longer than I thought I wanted it to, but it's okay. A couple of years ago, I had an idea for a new website. It was this dating advice stuff. And I was like, oh, I'm going to create this dating advice website and we're going to put videos on YouTube. And I didn't get all of this camera junk together. I literally just told Tara, I said, hey, Tara, prop your phone up on the back of the chair, which is exactly what she's doing right now. Let's go out into the hallway just so my background looks different. And I'll just talk a bunch of shit dressed exactly like I'm dressed now. And we ended up putting up like a dozen videos within like 2 weeks. And those videos ended up getting like a combined 500,000 views. But no, I didn't apply the same logic. It's like almost like I know too much now, right? And it's counterproductive. I hope I'm making sense. I hope I'm making sense. I know how fun it is to get to be in that get ready phase and to be excited about the idea of something and to start building, right? And to prep and all that fun stuff. And, oh, I'm going to order the best this and the highest value this and the greatest this. But if you don't use that shit, or if I don't use that stuff, then it's pointless. Then honestly, I was better off just being like, hey, Tara, just turn on the video camera with me and my white t-shirt on backwards and let's get to work. Which costs us $0 to do. So often we think we need to do this big, giant, spend a bunch of money or put this big, giant effort forward to get ready so that we be ready to do this big thing. And the reality of the situation is that we don't need to get ready. We just need to start doing the damn thing. So, I will keep you updated on how all of this goes. This was made and created with the best of intentions. It really was. But the best of intentions don't matter if I don't use this. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you start seeing a bunch of videos of me with a white background, then you'll know I'm using it because you guys will be amongst the first to see. So, snap my fingers, flip my feet, realize that you don't need all this crazy ass shit to get going and just start working. And I hope this video was helpful. If you can relate, let me know in the comments. If this made sense, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Stop getting ready. Start taking action. I got love for you. Bye-bye.